Easy access just off the Route 48 4-lane and only 3 miles west of Moorefield. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home has an open floor plan. Though only 7 years old, it has been renovated with a new metal roof, a rustic kitchen almost completed, and vinyl wood look flooring. Throughout. With high ceilings in the huge open living area that has been retrofitted for a wood stove, the interior offers a rustic cabin feeling. It won't take much finishing to make this your own. Some painting, trim work, upgrade the new vinyl flooring if you choose, add fixtures and appliances, and consider yourself the artist of your own palette. An 8x14 front porch affords gorgeous sunrises over the distant mountains, and a small pond at the edge of the property beckons the wildlife. A huge, 2-story 32x28 garage is the icing on the cake, with a gravity shower, hot water heater and a flue for a wood stove. This could easily offer space for a weekend guest. Also on property is a large chain-link kennel or chicken enclosure, a lean-to shed for goats, or maybe